Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix a seatbelt that's not retracting properly. So as we use our seatbelt for a longer time, it would start accumulating chunks from our body and it won't be as flexible as the clean seatbelt. That's why it will have problem in retracting itself. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clean the seatbelt and make it work as a new one. To stop seatbelt from retracting, I have used the cloth clip. And for cleaning, I have taken half a bucket of water and detergent mixture. Into the mixture, soak the seatbelt. And leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash the seatbelt with hands and rinse it with the clean water. After complete cleaning, dry seatbelt in the sun. And after the completion of the drying process, now we can see that the seatbelt is retracting properly. So this was all for today's video. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.